Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Hi, I'm Chef Ann Nolan. Today I'm going to talk to you about properly cleaning your ceramic glass cooktop. Your cooktop should be cleaned after each use. Follow these 3 easy steps to keep it looking like new for years. Scrape off any food or residue with a razor. For best results, use the scraper while the cooktop is still warm, but not hot to the touch. We recommend wearing an oven mitt while scraping the warm cooktop. Hold the blade at a 45-degree angle and apply pressure to remove the residue. Once the cooktop is cool, apply a few drops of a fresh cooktop cleaner onto the affected areas. Rub the cleaner on the cooktop surface with the blue scrubbing pad. Apply pressure to remove stubborn stains. After letting the cleaner dry to a white haze, polish the cooktop with a clean dry cloth or a clean dry paper towel. For stubborn stains, you may have to repeat this process more than once. To order cleaning supplies, please see the use and care manual that came with your product. Follow these 3 steps and you'll keep your cooktop looking new. Thanks for watching.